when you perceive the bid-ask dynamics of Bitcoin, they're not a normal market.
No.
We don't really know where that bid is invented or that ask is invented.
Yeah.
What would you tell younger people on the street and our viewers and listeners about the transparency of bid-ask on Bitcoin?
It's a real question. I have my kids and my kids' generation in the past month asking me about what do I think of investing in this thing. And I'm like, A, you must be mad. But if it drops 80%, maybe have a go. But I say to them, thirdly, the very fact you're now all asking me is yet another sign that this thing is overcooked. And I then say, fourthly, what is so good about this thing compared to PayPal? What does it actually really do as a medium of exchange? The technology, yeah, but why does it have to be applied to a currency?
Go ahead, Francine,
no,
please.
but then why do you hear? I mean, is there, first of all, is there a danger that it infects the economy at some point if people start borrowing to invest in it?
I would imagine if we get into that kind of stage, yeah, clearly, then it becomes a genuine bubble that has worrying consequences. The worst bubbles are when people take on a lot of leverage to participate. I don't think we're there with Bitcoin and the hundreds of moving sort of copycats, but that is definitely something to watch. And importantly and clearly, in a number of countries, I just see the Chinese announce something fresh this morning. Policymakers are trying to discourage too much leverage.
Well, what should regulatory bodies do in the United Kingdom and the United States? What should FSA do? What should SEC do? Do they need to be the adults in the room to quell and dampen the market, or do they get out of the way because it's a free market process?
I think, linked to what Fran just asked, they want to be really careful to not allow a lot of leverage for those that are bold or imaginative or daft enough to get involved. It's okay if people have got their own cash, they don't mind losing or benefiting from speculating on it. But the idea that the system presides over a lot of leverage to play, that is something policymakers cannot allow.
Will it be regulated? Should Treasury be looking at this?
I think it's pretty clear they're looking at it closely, and for the time being, they're saying, OK, people want to participate in this new thing, let them do so. If it gets to the stage where it's threatening financial stability, I think they would, and they should.